Bandhani Janani, written by Mahadevi Verma. Good morning, children. This is lesson number 10, taken from Utkarsh Hindi Patmala, grade 7. We are going to understand this poem today. आप जानते ही हैं, कभी हमारी मातृभूमि सर्वश्रेष्ठ मानी जाती थी, तो कभी यह पराधीन भी रही. You know, there was a time when our motherland, India, was considered to be the best. But there was also a time when she was someone's slave or a prisoner. Matrabhumi means motherland, Sarvasresht means the best, Paradhin means dependent or someone's slave. कभी इसे समृद्ध करने वाले महापुरुष जन्म लेते रहे, तो कभी इसे पतन के रास्ते पर ले जाने वाले भी आते रहे. There was a time when great personalities, they took birth and took our country, India, on the path of progress. But there were also times when such people were there who took our country on the path of destruction or ruins. Here, Samriddh means progress or prosperity. Patan ke raste par means on the path of destruction or ruins. कभी इसे पराधीनता की बेड़ियों से बाहर निकालने का संकल्प लेने वाले भी आगे आए, तो कभी ऐसा भी लगता रहा कि इसका उद्धार आखिर कैसे होगा. There was a time when such people came forward who took the oath that at any cost they are going to remove the shackles of slavery from its legs. At the same time, there was a time when we used to imagine, how are we going to rescue our motherland? She is in such a bad condition. Here, Paradhinta ki bediya means the shackles of dependence or the shackles of slavery. Sankalp means oath. Uddhar means how to rescue, salvation. पाठ प्रवेश. Now we are entering the lesson. हमारे पूर्वजों के बलिदानों का परिणाम है कि आज हम स्वाधीन हैं. It is only the result of the sacrifices made by our ancestors that today we are independent. Purvaj means ancestors, Balidan means sacrifice, Suparinam means result, Swadhin means free or independent. इस देश की शासन सत्ता अब हमारे ही हाथों में है. Today, the reign of this country is in our hands. Nobody else from abroad or from somewhere else is coming and ruling us. Shasan Satta means the rule or the reign of the country. इसका निर्माण भी हम करते हैं और इसे हम पर शासन करने की क्षमता भी हम ही देते हैं. We are only responsible for building it, and we only let it get the capacity or have the capability to rule us. क्षमता means capacity, निर्माण means build. कवयित्री जानना चाहती है कि वे हम ही हैं जो इसे फिर से उतना ही पवित्र और प्रतिष्ठित बना सकते हैं, या यह काम करने के लिए फिर किसी महात्मा को जन्म लेना होगा. The poetess wants to know whether we are capable of, or are we going to make it as sacred a land as it was long back and as famous as it was, or we have to yet wait for some great personality to take birth to make it sacred and famous. Here, Pavitra means sacred and Pratishthis means famous, and Pavitra means sacred, sorry. Children, you all should know that long back, before these Britishers, they came and ruled us and took away all our, richness. We were known as Sone ki chidiya, means the golden bird. That itself shows how rich, how prosperous we were. Here is a poem. बंदनी जननी, तुझे हम मुक्त कर देंगे. श्रृंखलाएं ताप से उर्की गलेंगी. भित्तियां यह लौह की रज में मिलेंगी. रक्त से अपने खिलाकर लाल बादल, तिमिर को अब हम उषा आरक्त कर देंगे. तुझे हम मुक्त कर देंगे. O mother who's a prisoner right now, we will give you freedom. Mukt kar denge means we will give you freedom. Shrinkhalaye here refers to the shackles of slavery. Taap se, with the heat. Ur means heart. Galengi means will melt. So here the poetess says the shackles of your freedom, of your slavery They will melt because of the heat of our hearts. That is, we are so determined to give you freedom that that heat, it will melt the shackles. भित्तियां यह लौह की रज में मिलेंगी. Here bhittiya refers to walls, lauh means iron, raj means dust. So the poetess says that we have some very strong beliefs like iron walls or very, very strong inhibitions or superstitions. But soon they will mix with dust. They will no more be there and will definitely give you freedom. रक्त से अपने खिलाकर लाल बादल. That is, we'll do so much of sacrifice that even the clouds will appear to be red. तिमिर को अब हम उषा आरक्त कर देंगे. Here Timir refers to darkness of slavery. Usha, it refers to early morning when the horizon becomes really beautiful with a red color. So what the poetess says is that now we are going to give you freedom, and this darkness of dependence or darkness of slavery is no more going to be there. Now there'll be a red horizon, a beautiful horizon in the early morning. That is being referred to as freedom that we are going to get. तुझे हम मुक्त कर देंगे. We are going to give you freedom. मस्तक देकर आज खरीदेंगे हम ज्वाला. जो ज्वाला नभ में बिजली है, जिससे रवि शशि ज्योति जली है. नारों में बन जाती जो शीतलता दायक उजियाला. मस्तक देकर आज. Mastak Dekar means by sacrificing our heads, by sacrificing our lives, today we are going to buy the fire of independence. Jo jwala nabh mein bijli hai. This jwala or this fire can be seen as lightning in the sky. That is, it will be spread out everywhere, the fire in our hearts. Jisse Ravi Shashi Jyoti Jali hai. Ravi means the sun and Shashi means moon. So here the poetess says that because of that fire is so strong that fire is reflected even in the sun and in the moon. नारों में बन जाती जो शीतलता दायक उजियाला. This fire, when it comes to the slogans of freedom, it gives somewhat a fire of coolness. That is, in the slogans, this fire, it becomes very cool. Mastak dekar aaj. That is, we are going to give our lives to give you freedom. Children, now this is another poem written by the same poetess Mahadevi Varma. Okay, this is the second part of this lesson. Fir Punya Bhumi Banaiye. Again, to make a sacred land. India was known as a land of saints and it was known as a sacred land. So, here the poetess requests that we should again make our land a sacred land. सिरमौर सा तुझको रचा था विश्व में करतार ने, आकृष्ट था सबको किया तेरे मधुर व्यवहार ने. Poetess says that God had created you as the crown of the world, and you had attracted everybody because of your sweet behavior. You were so nice to everybody in the world that everyone was attracted to you. And you were like the best. You were like the crown of the world. She considers our motherland, India, to be the crown of the world. Here, sirmor means crown, something that, increases the beauty of the head. Tujhko rachata means you had been made like a crown. Vishwa mein, in the world. Kartar ne, God, the creator of the universe. Akrisht tha sabko kiya, that is, you had attracted everybody. How? Because of your good behavior, because of your good relationships with every country in the world. वह युग कहाँ अब खो गया, वे देव वे देवी नहीं, ऐसी परीक्षा भाग्य ने किस देश की ली थी कहीं. Now the poetess wonders about that age when India was so beautiful, so it was so famous, so it was like a crown of the world. She says all that sacredness of the land is gone, and she wonders whether any other country has ever faced such a test of luck like our India had faced. अवतार प्रभु लेते रहे, अवतार ले फिर आइए, इस दीन भारत वर्ष को फिर पुण्य भूमि बनाइए. Now the poetess has a sincere request to the Almighty. She says, God, you have been taking incarnations, you have been making India a better place. So please do, she prays to God, asking God to again take or incarnate himself and make this land a sacred land once again. I hope, children, all of you understood the poem. In case you have any doubts, please do write in the comments below. So, all of you, please stay safe and healthy. Take care and bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.